Hello my dear students. In the previous video I gave you introduction of bar graph, but today we wanted to solve question about this lesson. Let's see. The first, note then complete the table and the answer. Here we have random data, which is my favorite sport, and I want to organize this data inside this table. How we can do this? Did you remember? Here, I want to complete this table. In the first, we have football, and I wanted to know how many kids like football, so I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be 5. And also, I want to solve this swimming. How many kids like swimming? Let's count 1, 2, and 3. How many kids like baseball? I count 1 only. The answer will be 1. How many kids like basketball? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. So the answer will be 7. How many kids like tennis? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer will be 4. And now he asked me question. How many kids like football? I will look here about this table which I organized. In the football, I only have 5, so the answer will be 5. How many kids like tennis? Where is the tennis? Where is the tennis? Yes, tennis is here. I have 4, so the answer will be 4. How many kids like swimming? Where is the swimming? Yes, here. So the answer will be 3. And which sport is liked the most? Which is 1? Yes, basketball, which is this sport. So the answer will be basketball. The last question, which sport is liked the least? Which is what? 5? No. 3? No. Which is yes, which is have only 1 kid like it, which is baseball. Okay. The next one, note then complete the table and color bar graph. So here we have random data, which is my favorite food. And here we have a table which I represent and organize this data inside it. And here we have bar graph, which I should, after I finish this table, I represent this bar graph. So, did you remember how we can organize this data? Yeah. I will count how many pizza and I will represent here. Let's see how many pizza here I have. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, we have 3. How many pineapple here I have? I only have 1, so I will write 1. How many cake here I have? Piece of cake? 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 pieces of cake. How many carrots here I have? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So here I will write 5. How many sandwich here I have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I will write 4. Then, so we finish organizing inside this table. The next step, I want to represent this data inside the bar graph. Look here, before this, I want to know what is the scale here I have. Here I have a scale of 1, 1, 2, 3, yes, because we don't make any scale. So now I want to represent how many pizza here I have. I have 3, so I will count until to reach 3, then I will color it. Yeah, it's good. Pineapple. Here I have 1, so I will only represent until to reach number 1, until here. Excellent. Another one. How we can represent cake here? I count until reach what? Until reach number 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I will color it. Yeah. How many carrots? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I will color until reach to 5. How many sandwich here? I have 4 sandwich. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we can represent our data inside the bar graph, and also we can organize it inside the table. It's so easy, right? Note note, then complete the table and the color paragraph and also answers the following questions. These questions including all of these lessons. Okay? Here we have random data, which is my favorite day. And here we have bar graph. We have table, which I should organize the data inside it. And here we have bar graph. Let's see. At the first, we should organize this data inside the table. So, how many number of friends like Sunday? Sunday. Where is Sunday? Sunday. Yes, here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I will write 4. How many students? How many friends like Monday? This is Monday, so I will count 1, 2. So the answer it will be 2. How many friends like Wednesday? 1, 2, 3. So the answer it will be 3. How many friends like Friday? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So the answer it will be 5. How many friends like Saturday? Only one like Saturday. So we can say we organized this data inside this table. So how I can represent this inside bar graph? The first we should look. What is the scale here I have? 1, 2, 3. Yes, here we have a scale of 1. So I want to represent this data inside it. How many friends like Sunday? I look here. We have 4. So I will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's good. How many friends like Monday? We have 2. So I will count 1 and 2. So I will represent until reach 2. How many friends like Wednesday? We have 3. So I will go here and count 1, 2, 3. Then I will color it. Yes. How many friends like Friday? We have 5. So I will count until reach 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So I will represent here until 5. How many students like Saturday? Look here, we have 1. So I only count until each one and color it. Okay, so now we organize data inside the table and also we represent it in the bar graph. So what is the next? The first question, how many friends like Friday? We look here, how many friends like Friday? We have 5 friends. Yes, excellent. How many friends like Sunday? Where is Sunday? Yes, here. I see. Yes, we color until 4, so the answer will be 4. The third question, which day has the least number of friends? Which day has the least? Yes, Saturday. Excellent. The fourth question, which day has the most number of friends? Most number of friends where? Yes, which is the biggest one, which is Friday. Excellent. And the fifth question, put bigger than or less than. Here we give you number of friends whose favorite day is Saturday and number of friends whose favorite day is Wednesday. How we can solve this question? At the first we look how many numbers of friends how many number of friends which is favorite day is Saturday. We look here 1, so I will write here 1. Yes. And here, how many number of friends whose favorite day is Wednesday? I will look here, yes, which is 3, so I will write here 3. So what is the sign here? Is bigger than or less than or equal? 1 is less than 3, so the answer it will be what? 1 is less than 3. Excellent. Another question. Number of friends whose favorite day is Friday. Where is the Friday? Here 5, so I will write here 5. And the next number of friends whose favorite day is Monday. Where is the Monday? Here. So I will write here 2. Then I will see which is 1 is big. 5 is big, so the answer it will be bigger than. And the last question, how many friends all together? All, when I see all together, which is mean, I put add. So I will add, not subtract. All together, which is mean, all together. Which is mean, I will do addition. How many friends altogether like Sunday and Monday? At the first, we put the sign, which is plus. Okay, at the second, how many friends like Sunday? 4. And how many friends like Monday? Where is Monday? 2. So I will write here 2. So what is the answer? 4 plus 2 equal what? Let's count after 4. Put 4 in my mind and 2 on my fingers, and I will count after 4, 5 and 6. So the answer it will be 6. The last question, how many more friends like Friday than Sunday? This question I will do addition or subtraction. How many people more friends like Friday than Sunday? So which is mean here I should put sign minus, because here he want to know which is one is more than another one. Okay, then I will write how many friends like Friday. I will look here. We have 5, so I will write here 5. And how many friends like Sunday? Where is Sunday? Is 4. Okay, so the answer it will be what? 5 minus 4, it will be 1. Okay, and at the end, all of you can solve this question by the easy way. At the first, we should organize the data inside the table, then we should put the bar graph, represent these data inside the bar graph, then answer the question. It's so easy. Okay, goodbye my students.